Cars are an essential part of our lives. We love the freedom they give us, but they are taking their toll. We pump out huge amounts of carbon, spend years of our lives in traffic, and thousands on fuel. But most of us can't just stop driving or buy a pricey new car every time a more efficient model comes out. We need a way to take any car, new or old, and get the most out of it. We need GoFar. GoFar is an intelligent in-car device that empowers you to drive your current car smarter, cutting your time in traffic, your emissions, and your fuel use. It works by utilising the science behind your car's engine. For every engine speed, there's a sweet spot, an optimum throttle position that maximises your power and minimises your fuel consumption. It's where your car runs best. Driving in the sweet spot saves fuel, which saves money and cuts emissions. But the sweet spot is different for every engine, and unless you're a part of a Formula One race team, it's very difficult to find. Not anymore. GoFar finds your car's unique sweet spot and uses real-time feedback to guide you there. The display glows blue when you're in the sweet spot and red when you're wasting energy. Real-time feedback works, and in trials, GoFar cut fuel use by 13 to 22%.
It's easy to install. My 7-year-old can do it for an ice cream. Once installed, GoFar just works. No need to fiddle with your phone. All you need to do is get in and drive. Much safer. GoFar analyses your actual driving patterns, telling you exactly when to leave the house so you spend less time in traffic. Your car can't do that. In fact, it's the most advanced car computer on the market. It plots your driving in 3D space and measures every single joule of energy in and out of your car. We spend a lot on our cars, and now you know exactly where it's going, to the cent. It makes tracking expenses a breeze. And unlike your car computer, GoFar stores all your trip data for you, automatically.
When designing the GoFar product, the challenge was to create a form that would fit seamlessly into any car interior. It had to effectively communicate to you while not distracting you while you drove. We've created what we believe is a beautiful product that will fit effortlessly into your driving experience.
Because GoFar measures your driving performance, you can turn driving into a game. Beat your best, challenge your friends, or compete in the global leagues. Who's the best? You're the best.
We've been working on GoFar for 2 years, developed powerful new technologies, and built a team of passionate people. But to get GoFar into production, we need your help.
By backing our campaign, you get rocket science in your car.
You'll save big on your fuel bill.
You'll spend less time in traffic.
You'll cut your carbon footprint.
And you'll have the smartest car on the street.
So if you want to be first in the world to do all this, back our campaign, and together we can make it happen.
Whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, things don't always go as you plan in the kitchen. Sometimes a dish turns out undercooked, and sometimes things end up burnt. Simple temperature control is still an unsolved problem in the kitchen. At Meld, we want to change that. We want to help people cook the perfect meal every time. We built the Meld knob, clip, and app that together make up the world's first automatic temperature cooking control system that work with your existing cooktop and cookware. This is the Meld knob, and it's the key to controlling temperatures. The Meld knob replaces the existing knob on your gas or electric cooktop. It automatically turns the burner up or down to keep the food at the perfect temperature. The Meld knob knows how to adjust temperature based on data it receives from the Meld clip. The clip attaches to the cookware you already own and continuously measures the temperature of the food you are cooking to within less than a degree. This is the Meld app. It contains hundreds of chef-tested recipes that will automatically control the burner and take the guesswork out of cooking. Of course, you can make your own recipes or manually control the knob if you'd like. Meld reacts so quickly that as soon as you add cold food to a pot, it knows to turn up the heat to maintain temperature. And it knows exactly when to turn it down so nothing overcooks. Meld controls the temperature while you control the flavor, and meals come out perfectly each time. The Meld knob and clip are ideal for slow cooking, simmering, sous vide, poaching, frying, and even candy making.
We're passionate about helping people make great meals. We perfected the science of cooking and made the meld knob and clip the easiest solution to help you be creative and confident in everything you cook.
Unlike other companies that create bulky, single-purpose gadgets that clutter your countertop and force you to learn new skills, we focused on building a product that works with the things you already own. It's like upgrading your existing cookware and cooktop. Our engineers and designers focused on creating something simple, elegant, and above all, easy to use.
Kickstarter, this is where you come in. We've researched, developed, experimented, coded, and tested, and now we're ready for mass production.
We invite you to pre-order today and be among the first to experience just how easy making a perfect meal can be.
This is Snapchat. Without switching to a custom app, just place your phone on top and press print. A few seconds later, you'll have a beautiful Polaroid photo of your phone screen. Snapchat is a slim, portable instant film printer for your smartphone. It's like a tiny photocopy machine you can bring anywhere.
The best thing about Snapchat is its simplicity. All you need to do is put your phone on top, press one button, and you get a flawless photo. It doesn't need any apps, wires, or Bluetooth to function.
With Snapchat, the possibilities are endless. If you can see it, you can print it. Imagine a birthday card with a selfie that was taken 30 seconds ago. Or what about printing a custom business card at your next meeting? Snapchat's text is sharp and clear. Never be caught with an outdated business card again. And next time, instead of renting a giant expensive photo booth for your special occasion, why not use a Snapchat instead? Snapchat prints on Fuji, Instax, or Polaroid 300 film, and its innovative design can support any smartphone.
Polaroid is near and dear to my heart. As a photographer, I was just really excited about working with instant film again, and I loved that Snapchat was incorporating the use of a smartphone because it's just so convenient to take photos.
We wanted something that pushed the limits of what's possible with instant film, like digital effects, fluorescent ink, a pocket video that doesn't require a single battery, lenticular film, and transparencies that come to life with an Arduino and some simple LEDs. We're actually really excited to see what people make with Snapchat and where it's used. So the biggest challenge with Snapchat was creating a really slim device.
We designed something that takes what would normally be a lens space of about 150 millimeters and squash it down into just 1 millimeter.
We reached out to David Welker and Paradigm Optics.
We specialize in all polymer optical devices. The fiber optic array is the main component of the Snapjet scanning mechanism.
Making the custom order for Snapchat was challenging because there were material combinations that we had never done before. It basically required a reconfiguration of the entire oven to make it work.
We did all of our prototyping in-house. We used laser cutting, machining, and even a kickstarted 3D printer to produce our first prototypes.
Once we get funding, we'll have the resources to create our injection mold tooling, we'll be able to produce our printed circuit boards in large quantities, and we'll be able to assemble our devices.
Snapchat's hardware and software will all be open sourced.
We're going to release our PCB schematics, our CAD designs, and anything else that a maker would need to hack, reprogram, and make it better.
One day, we envisioned Snapjet's optical technology in a printer so slim that it could be part of a smartphone case.
Snapjet is an amazing creative tool. It's a great way to connect, to preserve memories, and it's really fun.
By backing Snapjet, you're backing the idea that innovation should be open to everyone. An instant film technology, pioneered by the iconic Polaroid company in 1948, still has a few surprises in store for us.
Now, we really need your help on Kickstarter to back our project and make Snapjet a reality, and we won't stop until it's in your hands. Join us in revolutionizing instant film.